In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a DNS record to your Hostinger domain and update DNS records with ease. DNS records are essential for directing internet traffic to the right locations, like websites or email servers, and keeping these records current is crucial for seamless connectivity. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Hostinger's website. Once you're there, look for the Domains option in the main navigation. This is typically available in the dashboard or the main menu. Clicking on Domains will guide you to your list of registered domains. Next, you'll see an option that says Domain Portfolio. Go ahead and click on that. Here you will find a comprehensive list of the domains you have registered through Hostinger. Scroll down the list until you find the particular domain you're interested in managing, and then click on the Manage button that corresponds to it. Once you're in the Domain Management section, look for an option called DNS, or Name Servers. This section allows you to view and modify the DNS settings of your domain. Click on it to proceed. Now you'll need to add or update a DNS record. You'll begin by choosing the type of DNS record you need. Hostinger supports several types such as AMX, AAA, CNAME, SRV, TXT, and CHA. Select the type that aligns with your update needs. Each type serves a different purpose, so be sure you're selecting the correct one for your specific requirement. After selecting the DNS type, proceed to fill in the name section. This usually depends on what the DNS record is intended to do. Be precise with your naming to avoid configuration issues later. Look below the name field for the IP address section. This is where you'll input the IP address you're directing your DNS record toward. Additionally, there's a field labeled TTL, which stands for Time to Live. It represents how long your DNS information is stored by caching servers, and you may set it to a default value or adjust it according to your needs. Once all fields are filled out, take a moment to double check your entries to ensure everything is accurate. No one wants to troubleshoot because of a simple typo. If all looks correct, click on Add Record to finalize these updates. In case you need to amend an existing DNS record, navigate back to the DNS Records section, find the specific entry, and click Edit. Here you can modify the required fields. After making the necessary changes, complete the process by clicking Update. Adding and updating DNS records is straightforward with practice, and now you know how to do it on Hostinger. Keeping your DNS records up to date ensures your website maintains its optimal performance and connectivity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.